The manufacturing process is violent. It requires driving a hardened carbide tool through solid steel at thousands of RPMs. But beneath that raw mechanical power is a strict demand for microscopic precision. For decades, machining was entirely manual. The operator controlled every cut by hand, relying on physical strength to turn raw metal into usable parts. That traditional approach built the early automotive assembly lines and laid our initial infrastructure. But the tolerances required by modern engineering have long since surpassed what human hands can do alone. The modern world still requires physical things to be built, but the tools of the trade have evolved. Today's machinists rely on digital code and advanced geometry to execute cuts that a manual lathe could never achieve. Today's advanced manufacturing facilities look more like clean rooms than traditional factories. They are highly organized, climate-controlled spaces where digital technology and hands-on craftsmanship overlap. The Precision Machining Technology program at Vincennes University is designed specifically to feed these exact environments, giving students direct experience with the equipment actually used in the industry. That process starts in CAD, or computer-aided design, software. Students learn to translate engineering concepts into three-dimensional digital models, working out the precise geometry before a single piece of metal is ever cut. Students in this program master the engineering principles behind modern infrastructure. They are learning to build the specific components that keep transportation, healthcare, and global supply chains functioning. Even though the end goal is digital automation, the learning process begins with the physical material. Students start on manual mills and lathes, cutting solid pieces of steel and aluminum to understand exactly how the metal behaves under pressure. They also have to learn the language of engineering. That means reading complex blueprints and understanding strict dimensional tolerances. A machinist has to verify their work constantly. We are talking about hitting measurements down to 1/1000th of an inch, a fraction of the width of a human hair. By building complete assemblies, like bench vices, stamping dies, and injection molds, students learn how multiple parts interact. They see firsthand how a tiny error in one component can cause an entire mechanical assembly to fail. This tactile foundation ensures that when a student eventually transitions to automation, they understand the physical reality at the cutting edge. They are solving manufacturing problems, not simply running equipment. Once those core concepts are locked in, the curriculum moves into CNC, or Computer Numerical Control, machining. Here, students write industry-standard programming to direct the exact movements of the equipment. This animated diagram shows a digital toolpath strategy. Instead of turning hand wheels, students use CAM software to program the most efficient route for the cutting tool, mapping out its speed, depth, and angle. When you add multi-axis machining to the process, you can rotate the workpiece across multiple axes simultaneously. This allows the tool to access complex internal angles without an operator having to manually unclamp and flip the part. Translating that digital code into the physical world looks like this. The machine rapidly shifts the material in three-dimensional space, carving intricate geometries into a solid titanium block in a single setup. Combining an understanding of raw materials with advanced software programming turns a traditional machinist into a manufacturing technologist. They develop the skill set to produce virtually any component an engineer can design. These exact skills support the heaviest sectors of the economy. The aerospace and defense industries rely entirely on precision machining to build the engines, airframes, and structural components that keep fleets in the sky. You see the same demand in motorsports, where custom suspension and engine parts have to withstand extreme stress, and in medical manufacturing, where surgical tools require zero-fail precision. Vincennes University uses a stackable credential pathway. A student can complete a one-year certificate and step into an entry-level role, or roll credits into an associate degree, and eventually a bachelor's program, diving deeper into advanced multi-axis programming. This structure provides a clear route to career stability. By leveraging this affordable tuition model to enter the workforce early, students can build a future that isn't weighed down by excessive debt. Right now, as an older generation of toolmakers retires, the domestic manufacturing sector is dealing with a severe shortage of skilled labor. Employers are actively searching for people who possess both hands-on mechanical ability and high-level software training. There is a profound satisfaction in taking raw material, designing the process, and creating something tangible that functions exactly as intended. The world still needs builders. If you want to solve technical problems and build a stable, rewarding career, start your journey in the Precision Machining Technology program at Vincennes University.